Okay, we're gonna enter the water curtain cave. It is a little bit wet. People putting on stuff, but I think it's gonna be fine. It's only water, ladies. It's okay. You won't die. So it is wet, but iPhone should survive this. There is water. Let's go, let's go. Okay. So even in the cave, they're still doing some recycling, which is really great. Woo! There you go. Look at the view. Yeah. So this is what it looks like when you walk through the Monkey King Cave waterfall. Really nice, really cool. Proud nature right here. Yeah. So we were over there before, and we're walking through now. And obviously you can wear a raincoat here, but I think it's fine. Don't need the raincoat. Just looks, yeah, it's nice. It's the main attraction while we're here. Well, we paid 300 RMB for just to see this and stand here for a little bit. Just standing here and take it in.